G'day, g'day. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to Mel's Crafty Paper Place. I just wanted to get on today and show you what I'm doing at the moment. A little bit behind, I don't know, story of my life. Just wanted to show you the next uniquely creative kit that I'm going to try and kill, because I really want to use all my kits to their fullest, so I don't have lots of leftovers, because I don't really use leftovers that much. So I really want to make the most I can out of my kits. So this is the next one that I've pulled out, and this is from January 2021. I've got food crumbs on there, you can see that. This one is very pink, as you can see. Really nice, really lovely layouts. When I first saw this colouring, I thought of my youngest daughter's little ballerina photos when she used to do some little bit of ballet when she was like in kindergarten. Not much, she just had a pink tutu and a little pink outfit, and I thought, oh yeah, that'll go really well. So I don't have a lot of photos to scrapbook with this colour, but I'm sure I'll find something. You can always find something, can't you? So this is the one I'm going to use, and this is, I think, all of the kit, and I've already started divvying it up into pages. Now, I went through these beautiful layouts in here. These layouts for me are a bit, oh, some are simple, like Cyan's there, but some of them are very intense, like Charmaine Sharp's. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Look at these little, I think they're puppies, little puppies. They're beautiful layouts. Just a little bit intense for me. I'm a bit more of a simple scrapper, so I do love them. They're beautiful. Beautiful Hetty Hall. I love Hetty Hall's work. Have you noticed that she doesn't often match her photos? Not very often at all. I noticed that. Anyway, I love some, yeah, beautiful layouts in here, but I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. I know Charmaine's are very, she has a lot of depth to her layouts, because, yeah, she does a lot of, just a lot of layers and a lot of foaming and that. Absolutely gorgeous. It's just a little bit scary for me, so I went looking just for some more simple layouts. I do love the background of this one though. I just love the way she's, like the lace on the wood grain for that one. So I went looking for some easier ones to do, a little bit quicker, not as intense, because I'm just not that type of scrapper. So excuse my head, but I have pinned a couple of layouts. I don't know whether you can see this. Let's see if I can get it on Pinterest, that are from the same collection by Kylie Kingham. Absolutely adore her stuff. So I've got that one. I've got a double layout that I'm just doing myself. Also loved this one. This one just caught my eye. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's on Kylie Kingham's Pinterest page, and it's just beautiful. Oh, it might be on the Uniquely, oh, this is in the Uniquely Creative blog as well. It's in there. If I can get rid of all of that. It's the little photo and that coming out of the envelope, and I just thought that was adorable, so I'm going to have a go at that. So there's a few in there that I'm going to do. This one here, so it's 1, 2, 3 from there, maybe 4. I think 3 though from there. Also I have a double layout that I want to do as well. So I don't think I'm going to do any of the cards from the magazine. I may do one of my own. I'm not too sure yet, but this is all what's in the kit. There's stamps, little embellishments. Look at these cute little puffy hearts. They're metal on the top, so they're a little bit shiny. Very cute. Some doilies. Not a huge fan of doilies. Prefer to make my own, but they're nice. They're lovely, and there's lots in there. There's like 50 in there, like $5 or something. It's crazy. great price. There's also an embossing folder and a stencil, like a bookmark stencil. Odd shape, yeah, but maybe just for poking out behind photos, and that would be really good. I'd like to try and use this and use it on a card or maybe on my matting. I'm not sure, so we'll see how I go with that. Love a bit of muslin, really cute. Whole packet there, mind you. This was what's in the kit, so they put a lot in. Oh, bit of lace. Now I've already started fussy cutting, so I think these are from this one, or I don't know whether they're from this one, because I've cut them quite a while ago, because I take fussy cutting with me when I go to my son's appointments, and I've got an hour to fill, so I just take a couple of pages to fussy cut. And I'm not the greatest person at fussy cutting. I don't particularly like it, but it fills in, and then I can use the embellishments. So, you know, get used to it, suck it up, I'll be right. There's also a glitter brush. I think this one must be black. Yeah, really cute. I ended up with an extra page, I believe, of cut aparts. This cut apart is on the back of the, you know, the front page of the paper pack. So that's on the reverse of there if I need it. But I've already cut one apart. So whether I ordered another one, I don't remember. It's a little while ago. I have cut ones apart already, except for the wedding-y type ones. I'm not going to be doing wedding photos because I've done them with some basic grey stuff. So this didn't really go this colour, so I won't be using that. I think there's this one. I think I have another one. I must have ended up with another embellishment pack, perhaps. I must have got. But this is the laser cut. It has best day ever, and then a couple of flourishes. There's just the one in there. So I've already divided up my pages into like page kits, so I can make sure I've got enough paper to use to do the layouts that I really want to do. So as I said, I've started also fussy cutting. So I fussy cut some flowers. So I've got my pages together already, I think. These are my spares, I think. I've got some spares, yes. These are my spare bits, I think. I can't remember now. I organised really well, didn't I? So yeah, I did have some there. That might be for one page. So it's like one page or spares, one of the two. This is some spare as well. Or is that for a layout? What have I done here? These must be for a layout, and I just haven't organised it properly, so put that back on there. I'd say I've divvied them all up into the layouts already. Some I've gone a little bit further with to make sure I can stretch my paper to make sure I've got enough for everything, otherwise I'll go and find something else to go in here with it. That's my eldest daughter, Bianca. Back in the day where she used to wear pink because Mummy used to put it on her, but now she does not wear pink and she does not wear dresses or anything like that. Bit of a tomboy, let's say, but she's very comfortable, so it's really cool. This is when she was 2, I believe. Yeah, she's so little there, big brown eyes. Yeah, so this is the photo I'm going to scrapbook in the envelope. So I've made my envelope and I've got all my embellishments ready to go. I've just got to add the lace and glue it all down. So I've got some pages getting ready to go. So that's my first one. Oh, this is the one with the variegated piece on it, and I've got the embellishment. I think this whole laser cut gets used on this one. I've got my embellishments here as well. I've cut my papers apart to what I need, roughly. Doesn't have to be perfect. Photo of me and hubby, me when I was pregnant, I think maybe with Bianca, the 2-year-old. I think so. I have a feeling that is. I think we already had Soren then, maybe. I don't know. I'd have to check the date. But anyway, that's the next page. So that's page 2 I'm going to do. This one I just dropped, so here we go. See if I have got this all together. I might have got these mixed up a little bit. But this is my 2 girls. I'm going to scrapbook on this one. Oh, they're so little there. That was before Bianca got glasses in grade 2. And I think that was the, let's see if I can get up closer so you can see a little bit better. That was the last dress she owned. She didn't have any dresses after that. She just would scream and chuck a tanty. She just loves shorts, just super comfortable shorts and pants. Just that's all she wears. She'll wear a jumpsuit. We went to a wedding and she wore a really lovely jumpsuit. And it was really pretty. Yeah, really suited her. But yeah, that's what they do. And little Carla is a little bit older there. They must be like, I'd say she's 4 and 5 because Carla's a little bit shorter. Yeah, so starting to catch up now though. So that one is going to be on there with all of my embellishments and my title, and that is all there. So that's 1 page, 2 pages, 3 pages. I probably will have another one with that, or I'm thinking to maybe make some cards, but maybe like an explosion box or something a little bit more special. So yeah, I have all the embellishments. I have 2 packs of embellishments over here, so I have plenty. I have pulled out all of the happy birthdays, the sentiments and that, and I've popped them all over here. There is a stack of them, and that's a little bit, yeah, why I was thinking to make a card, or like a bigger, more intense sort of card, because I thought maybe I could use a lot more of the sentiments. If not a exploding box, maybe the one that you can fold flat. Anyway, I'll have a think about, because I've got birthday wishes and I really like them. Like, they're nice and solid and strong. There's thanks a bunch. Maybe I'll make a thank you card. What's this saying? My love. Oh, probably, I don't need that, I don't think. I didn't cut all of them out. Congratulations. Yeah, thanks a bunch. So there's 2 of each, and I've got little happy birthdays and little bits and thinking of you. So there's lots of different sentiments, and there's also these ones here, which are the cards, which are really cool. That's why I was kind of thinking of an exploding box, because I could pop some of these sayings in, like make a wedding one and then just have it on the ready, because you could pop these in and people could write a message on the back perhaps. That's what I was thinking, but anyway, I'll see. Could also pop a hole in it, make it like a tag, and put some ribbon also out of the top so you can pull it out. It'd be really nice. All you need is love, the best day, Mr. and Mrs. And there's also, oh, that's thank you so much. I thought it was like love. Oh, you are my sunshine. What else is there? Oh, there's a happy birthday one. True love. Oh, true love story never ends. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'd be great for a box, yeah. So that's why I was thinking that. Anywho's, so I've got all that. From my fussy cutting, I did have some little bits left over, and I thought, oh, I'm going to try, and I hope my head's not in the way. I'm going to I punched some little hearts and little flowers and little teeny tiny butterflies from the leftover paper. It is spotting, and it's like white and pink on the other side. So I've got those as well. I might layer the butterflies or something, I'm not sure, and even the flowers. So yeah, I've got those little things to play with as well if I want it. Now also, because everything was very papery except for the lace and the muslin, I am going to bring in some of my own flowers. So I do have some packets. This is a packet I've already put on my one, I'll show you in a minute. A little pack of 20 small flowers, and they were different shades of pink. Also got some 49 Market, some Uniquely Creative white flowers, and I do have pink ones, but I really wanted just some white, because I've got lots of different shades of pink. These have yellow stamens in, so I'm not sure I'm going to use those. I like the whitish creamy centres. So yeah, we'll see. I thought they might be too bright, but they kind of pick up on the darker colours in the papers and the darker flowers. So yeah, maybe, we'll see. I pulled them out, and because they're flat, I don't mind to use those ones in my layouts, just to keep it as flat as possible so I can fit as much in my in my album. So I've got those as well. Oh, and this is the other page. I've kind of started it and thought, oh well, I better record, otherwise I'm going to have everything made up, and I forget to record. So this is my layout that I've started. So it's a double page one. So I've got some flowers. Oh look, I'm bending the corners. Oh, that's Carla when she was doing the little ballet. Oh, she's got she's got her black tutu on there, so not her pink one, so she had one of each. So yeah, and these are the little tiny variegated flowers, so I'll put those around. But before I put all this together, I will put this together on film. I'll try to remember to do that, because I forget. So yeah, anyway, I'll put that to the side. Also got some teeny tiny pink bows. Teeny tiny. And I thought they went really cute. So yeah. So that's my next kit that I'm going to do. I would have really liked to use 2 a month, but I'm getting a bit behind because we're already at the end of February and I haven't finished any. So I haven't done any yet. So I've really got to get my finger out and get stuck into these, because I really want to start using these. I have a lot. I do like to keep them and look at them, but I really want to get some photos done and get some done. So yeah, that's my next one. So what I'll do is I'll get cracking on this and I'll record my pages as I put them together. And I will see you again very shortly. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you're getting some crafty time in, because it's fun. Let's face it, it's fun. Yeah, if you can give a little thumbs up, that'd be great, and I will see you again very shortly with a process video. Okay, thank you. Bye for now. Bye.